is it that you are doing?
Ni nini unafanya?
Did other people fail?
Je, watu wengine walishindwa kwa hilo?
That was their level of trying.
Hicho ilikuwa kiwango chao cha kujaribu.
And that was their level of persistence.
Na hiyo ilikuwa kiwango chao cha kusisitiza.
Wao wangesisitiza mpaka hapo.
They persisted until there.
Wewe ongeza siku nyingine.
You add more day.
Ongeza hatua nyingine.
Another step.
Uliacha kufanya kile ulichokuwa unafanya.
You stop doing what you are doing.
Sababu haukujibiwa.
Because you never received the answer.
Ulikosea.
You went wrong.
Mwenyewe haukukufa.
You never died yourself.
Na umeacha.
And you stop doing it.
Tafuta hadi upokee.
Seek it until you receive it.
Atafutaye hachoki.
He who seek and never get tired.
Akichoka,
when he gets tired,
do not give up.
Usikate tamaa.
Omba tena uombe tena uombe.
Pray ceaselessly and ceaselessly.